Since we are in a festival, let's talk about curation. How do we assimilate this work practice in the classroom? What does it entail? When we design our courses, we are acting as curators. We become storytellers where subjects are informed by our positionalities. That is, our lived experiences. As we engage in academic discourses seeking to decolonize the curriculum, we become aware of the need to diversify voices. Where do we start? From our students. As Paulo Freire says, we need to see ourselves as both teachers and students simultaneously. A term to reflect such equality and the role of students as active learners is class members. We need to create a learning environment where students are also storytellers and can also curate the stories about the subjects we teach. This is what we refer here to as the curatorial turn in pedagogy. This can also be adopted in our assessment methods. Online learning offers a unique opportunity to apply creative research methods such as audiovisual criticism and project design. In the second term of our MA Global Media Management, as class members became increasingly independent, we offered themed strands assessed creatively. I had the pleasure to lead the Festivals and Events strand. These are some of the highlights of the fascinating work curated and carefully designed by class members. In fact, the images you've seen so far have all been recorded by the students. They were made as part of the videos and included in their festival websites. Class members used eFolio in order to present their work, and this demonstrated a highly curatorial approach, a very careful process of thinking what they were doing and why they were doing that, and how that was really shaped by their own positionalities and lived experiences all over the world. Beyond demonstrating the critical understanding, this kind of creative assessment also allowed them to create their own stories about global media, about film, about festivals, about other kinds of topics we had talked about in the course. It also allowed them to gain transferable skills to then apply in the industry, how to work in a team, but also how to create audiovisual content of professional standards.